Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're taking a closer look at what many bakers consider the best Nordic Ware aluminum baking sheet. The Nordic Ware Naturals Extra Large 21 by 15-inch baking set. If you've been searching for a commercial quality sheet pan that performs consistently, resists warping, and lasts for years, this one deserves your attention. Let's start with the build quality, because that's really what defines this product. These pans are made from pure aluminum, which is known for its superior heat conductivity. That means cookies, vegetables, pastries, and anything else you bake will brown evenly across the entire surface. There are no cold spots, no undercooked corners, and no burnt centers. This even heating performance is one of the main reasons Nordic Ware pans are used not only in home kitchens, but also in professional baking environments. Another standout feature is the encapsulated galvanized steel rim. If you've ever owned a cheap baking sheet, you've probably seen warping happen the moment you put it into a hot oven. Nordic Ware solves this by reinforcing the edges with a steel rim, keeping the pans flat during heating and cooling cycles. This not only protects the shape and structure, but also prevents oil or batter from running into warped dips. Now let's talk about size, because these pans are big. Each sheet measures 21 inches long, 15 inches wide, and 1 inch deep. The usable baking surface is approximately 20.3 by 14.3 inches, giving you significantly more room than a standard half sheet. That means larger batch cooking, more cookies per bake, and easier sheet pan meals like salmon and veggies or roasted potatoes and chicken. If you bake in high volume or meal prep weekly, this size is a major advantage. These pans are compatible with parchment paper or silicone baking mats, so whether you like traditional baking prep or reusable tools, you'll have flexibility. Cleanup is easy as well, but Nordic Ware recommends hand washing to preserve the aluminum finish and maintain longevity. While aluminum is naturally non-stick over time, hand washing helps prevent discoloration and ensures the pans continue performing like new for years. One important detail is that these pans are made in the United States using both domestic and imported materials. Nordic Ware has a long history of durable bakeware, and this set is made to withstand a lifetime of use with consistent results. So, who is this set best for? If you're a home baker looking to upgrade from standard or lightweight cookie sheets, or if you want pans that perform at a professional level, this set is going to be a smart investment. If you like making sheet pan dinners, party-size batches, or baked goods that require precise browning, these large-capacity aluminum sheets are a perfect fit. To recap, the Nordic Ware Naturals Extra Large Baking Set stands out because of its commercial-grade aluminum construction. Even heat distribution, reinforced steel rim that prevents warping, and oversized surface that allows for bigger batch cooking. It's designed to last, perform consistently, and become the baking sheet you reach for every time. If you're considering upgrading your bakeware, this set may be exactly what you need. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more deep dives into the most reliable kitchen essentials, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check back for more honest product reviews.